Have you ever wondered how your car, that takes you from point A to point B every day, came into being? It's not just a pile of metal, glass, and rubber, it's a marvel of engineering, a testament to human ingenuity. A product of countless hours of design, precision, and meticulous assembly. From the smallest bolt to the largest body panel, every component plays a vital role. In today's video, we are going to unravel the mystery behind the car manufacturing process. Creating a car starts with a simple idea, a concept. This is the spark that ignites the entire process. Picture this. An automotive designer sketches a new concept car, inspired by trends, technology, and imagination. This concept is then transformed into a digital blueprint using advanced software. This software you see isn't your average design tool. It's a sophisticated program that enables manufacturers to create a virtual model of the vehicle. They can tweak the design, adjust the aerodynamics, and even simulate how the car would perform under various conditions. Think of it as a sandbox for car design, where ideas can be tested, refined, and optimized without the expense of physical prototypes. This stage is critical in identifying and rectifying any potential issues. It's all about ensuring the car is practical, efficient, and safe. Once the design is finalized, it's time to bring it to life. But that, my friends, is a story for the next scene. The car's body, also known as the chassis, is the backbone of the vehicle. It begins its life as sheets of metal, commonly steel or aluminum. These sheets are not just ordinary ones, they are specially treated to withstand years of use and exposure to the elements. Once these sheets are ready, they are cut meticulously into precise shapes and sizes. This process follows a blueprint that ensures every piece fits perfectly to create the unique silhouette that distinguishes every car model. Next, the magic happens. These cut pieces are shaped into the various components that make up the body of the car. This shaping process transforms flat sheets of metal into three-dimensional objects with curves and contours. Lastly, these shaped pieces are welded together to form the structure of the car. This welding process is a careful blend of artistry and precision, creating a strong and durable body that can withstand the rigors of the road. With the body ready, we move on to the heart of the car, the engine. The engine, the heart of your car, is what makes it move. The engine is an intricate marvel of mechanical engineering, a symphony of parts working in perfect harmony. Each component plays a crucial role, and it all begins with the assembly. Let's start with the pistons. These cylindrical parts move up and down within the cylinder block, transforming fuel into the energy that powers your car. They're carefully installed within the block, ensuring a snug fit for optimal performance. Next, we have the crankshaft. This is the backbone of your engine, changing the vertical movement of the pistons into a rotational motion that drives the wheels. It's assembled with precision, as even the slightest misalignment can lead to serious engine damage. Now let's talk about the cylinder block. This is the body of the engine, housing the pistons and crankshaft. It's typically made from cast iron or aluminum and is designed to withstand the extreme temperatures and pressures within the engine. The block is meticulously crafted, ensuring each cylinder is perfectly aligned. Precision is the name of the game here. Each part must fit together flawlessly, and every bolt must be tightened to the exact specifications. There's no room for error. It's a delicate dance, a balancing act of engineering and craftsmanship, and there you have it. The engine, assembled and ready to roar. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a beautiful blend of power and precision. It's the heart that makes your car come alive. With the engine ready, it's time to bring all the parts together. The final assembly is where everything comes together. This stage is a symphony of precision, timing, and teamwork, where the body, engine, and all other elements unite to form a fully functional vehicle. Let's start with the body. It's brought onto the assembly line and held in place by robotic arms. Then the engine, which we've previously assembled, is installed into the body. This is a delicate process, as it requires perfect alignment to ensure optimal performance. Next, the wheels are attached. These are not just any wheels, mind you. They are designed to complement the car's aesthetics, while also providing the necessary grip and control for safe driving. Then come the electronics. This involves wiring up the car for all its electrical needs, from the headlights and taillights to the in-car entertainment system. It's like giving the car its nervous system, enabling it to respond to the driver's commands. The interior fittings are next. The seats, dashboard, and other elements are put into place, creating a comfortable and functional cockpit for the driver and passengers. Once all these parts are assembled, the car undergoes rigorous testing. It's subjected to various conditions to ensure safety and quality. Everything from the engine performance to the brake system is meticulously checked and double-checked. And voila! The car, once just a concept, is now ready to hit the roads. It's a testament to the marvel of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of perfection. So that's how your car comes to life, from an idea to a fully functional vehicle. Quite a journey, isn't it? We started with an initial spark, a simple blueprint. A creative design etched on paper, the heart of the process. This is where the car starts to take shape, where the dreams and visions of engineers and designers start to become a tangible reality. Then we moved on to creating the body, the steel skin of the car. This step is a marvel of modern manufacturing, with robots and skilled workers coming together to craft the car's structure. It's a careful balance of art and science, of design and practicality. Following the body creation, we dived into the heart of the car, the engine. Assembling the engine is a complex task, requiring precision, knowledge, and a great deal of skill. Each component is meticulously put together to ensure the vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. And finally, we arrived at the final assembly. It's here that all the pieces of the puzzle come together. Every part, every bolt, every wire finds its place, completing the picture. It's the culmination of countless hours of work, the final step in the birth of a new car. So there you have it, the life cycle of a car, from a simple blueprint to a marvel of modern engineering. It's a fascinating process, isn't it? If you've enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more intriguing content. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the car manufacturing process. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.